Introducing Smartpoint Cloud, the easiest, fastest way to be a modern retailer. Travel agents, it's time to get moving. With a new design built for you. It's easy and user-friendly. Just what you want your technology to be. Use the all-new intuitive interface, traditional format screens, or both. Choose how you work and get your team up and running in a flash. Search, filter, and compare thousands of products and offers like never before. With a powerful new set of agency retailing tools, you can see everything at once. Compare NDC offers alongside traditional content, all in one place. Upsell, cross-sell, add all important ancillaries and extras, and offer your customers the complete trip with ease. Give your customers more, faster, better. Package tailored trips in one single, clear quote. New automation tools will make serving travelers so much easier. Or let them manage their own changes and exchanges. Their choice. Work anywhere, anytime. And because it's all in the cloud, you get automatic updates with zero manual installs. It's what modern retailing should be. Get everything you need in one place with Smartpoint Cloud. Get moving. Get modern. Travelport Plus.